some more information about making money online. You see other people's success. You want to know how you can get the exact same success. Well, I just want to show you a little bit of payment proof. I'm logged into my PayPal account just to let you know that you can make money online outside of a 9-to-5 system. I do not have a boss. I do not wake up and I do not go to a job that life is over for me. Just want to show you a couple of payments that I've been producing online working for myself over past month or so. So as you can see today at 9/17, I got a payment for $2,720, another payment for $180, another big payment for $2,200, $75 there, and then $1,600 check right here, $1,000 check right there, a couple $150, $200, and $160 checks, and the $1,600 paycheck right there. And the reason why I can make it is because I have help from Success Systems Revealed. They basically show you an income plan to help you get on your feet and help you start your business. And the best thing is that it's completely free to join this website and get started. So what you want to do is you want to click the link below, go onto the Success Systems Revealed website and fill out your first, last name, email, telephone. Then you want to put in your address, your zip code. Then you want to answer these questions right here, which are going to get you started on the right path to making money, and hit act now, and you should be straight and ready to go. So once again, you want to go onto this website, fill out all of this information, hit the act now button. Remember, it's 100% free to join. I'll see you on the other side, and I hope that you have great success.